Hey, Mark Nelson. Today what I want to talk about are the 3 secret beliefs. And I think when people first start out, when I first started out, I didn't know if I really believed in these. So hang tight with me, because in building a business, here's the first belief. People want to buy. Now I want to talk about this because I like to buy. People like to buy. But if you have a product that I can use that can solve a problem that will help me in my journey, I'm going to buy it. That's just the way people are. People like to buy. So if you can position your product in the right funnel, if you have a funnel, or if you can present it however you present it with your video, people want to buy. Never changes. And the key is, see, they're either going to buy from you, or they're going to buy from me, or they're going to buy from somebody else. So the first secret belief is people like to buy. The second one is have a selling intent, but then have a freedom from the outcome. And what I mean by that, see, there's many times that, yes, people like to buy, so you're talking to somebody, and guess what? You know you have the product, you know the right thing that they need, and they don't buy it. And you know that's okay. So you got to have a freedom from the outcome. It's okay if they don't buy from you, because here's what you got to do is you have to fill yourself with so many leads. You don't have time or the energy to be worried about the people who don't buy. So the first one, people like to buy. They like to buy. Never changes. 2, have a selling intent, but then have a freedom from the outcome. And the third secret, I almost didn't get that finger up. Third secret is you are enough. Man, sometimes in the journey in this business, we just beat ourselves up. I know I do. You have all these inner thoughts coming at, man, I'm just not good enough. I don't have it down right yet. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to say the right things to talk to people. I don't know how to follow up right. I don't know. You are enough. Believe me. So the 3 secret beliefs. The first one is people like to buy. The second one is have a selling intent, but then be free from the outcome. And the third one is you are enough. You are enough, and keep working on yourself to get yourself in front of the right people that need to purchase your product. Hey, Britt, glad for hanging out here. Hey, if you are looking for a done-for-you, set-up product, high-ticket product, I got one for you. What I'd like you to do is write freedom down below. Hey, Layla, how are you doing? But again, if you are looking for a done-for-you system, for training along the way, for a high-ticket item, put freedom down below in the comments. You all take care. Hey, Layla, freedom to you too, baby. Peace. Talk again soon. Bye.